Welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, let me show you the best way to prepare your swallow. Do you know this kind of swallow we are preparing today? You just sit and watch and let me surprise you. I bet it you are going to love this. Boil your water because your water have to be well boiled. And after that, you need just 2 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil. Add it into the boiled water. After that, you need your spatula and of course your Semovita. Yes, we are making semo. Be pouring the semo bit by bit into the water, and as you pour, you mix very well. You mix it as fast as you can, and at this stage now you turn down the heat and add just 1 or 2 tablespoonfuls of Poundo yam to it. Try this. I bet that you're going to love the texture. And when you finish, a lot of people will be asking you, what did you make? We love this. You have to mix them well together. Let them be well combined, okay? Like I've said, make your heat now middle to low, all right? So after that, you clean the body of the spatula. And of course, the surroundings of your pot. You make sure you pack everything into the middle. And now you add some water. Very important, the water have to touch the down of the pot because we need to simmer this. After that, you cover it and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, open it, get your spatula again, and it's now time to mix it thoroughly. Can you see how it is making itself smooth and shining? Try this way. I bet that you're going to love it. I hope nobody's going to tell me, no, we don't make our Semovita like this. Try something new and you will love it. It's now time to portion it. Now portion this. Wrap it well in the nylon you'll be using. Or if you just want to serve it direct, you can go ahead and serve it. Wrap it well. Keep it warm until you are ready to serve it. Do you know what you're looking at? Oh, please give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from, and I'll be happy to see you next time. Thanks for watching.